Are you preparing for the computer board exam? Then this video is for you. In this video, we will cover the ICSE 2025 Computer Application Specimen Paper with detailed solutions for Section A, which includes 40 marks worth of MCQs and 2-mark questions. Along with solving the specimen paper, we will also discuss important related questions that are highly likely to appear in the board exam. Now, let's begin with question 1. This is Specimen Paper 2025. Question number 1. Question 1. Identifying array structures. Name the below structure. 1. One-dimensional array. 2. Two-dimensional array with 4 rows and 5 columns. 3. Three-dimensional array. 4. Two-dimensional array with 5 rows and 4 columns. This is your first row, second row, third row, fourth row. This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. So there are 4 row, 5 columns. So answer is two-dimensional array with 4 rows and 5 columns. Answer is 2. Next question. Java compiled code bytecode can run on all operating system. Name the feature. 1. Robust and secure. 2. Object-oriented. 3. Platform independent. 4. Multi-threaded. Java's compiled code, known as bytecode, can run on any operating system. This feature is called platform independence because bytecode is executed by the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, which is available on all major platforms. So, the correct answer is platform independent. Let's go to next question. The size of \n is 2 byte, 4 byte, 8 byte, 16 byte. \n is a escape sequence character. Let's review the sizes of different data types in Java. The new line character, \n, is an escape sequence and is treated as a single character, which is 2 bytes in Java. This is a character, so it is 2 byte. Integer is 4 byte. Long is 8 byte. Float is 4 byte. Double 8 byte. Nothing is 16 byte. This is the table of primitive data type and their size. You have to remember all these size. One question is must from these. Boolean technically takes 1 bit, but Java Virtual Machine, JVM, may use 1 byte for storage depending on implementation. Let us go to the next question. This question is on operator precedence in Java. In Java, operators follow a specific order of precedence. First increment, decrement, then multiplication, division, and modulus, then addition and subtraction, then relational operator, and then logical operator. Multiplication, division, and modulus all have the same level of precedence. They are evaluated from left to right when they appear in the same expression. Among the given options, the highest precedence is for modulus. Thus, the correct answer is modulus. So this is your first modulus, then product, then plus, then minus. Next question is on Java keyword. Which of the following is a valid Java keyword? Option 1 I capital, so not valid. Option 2 Boolean in capital, so not valid. In switch S is capital, so not valid, only static is in small case. So this is valid. Question 6. Evaluating a Java expression. Math.ceil, 6.4. Ceil, ceiling function, rounds up, so 6.4 becomes 7.0. Math.floor, -1 -2. Floor function rounds down, so -1 -2 becomes -3.0. Now, we add. The output of the code is 4.0. Some more questions on math.floor and math.ceil with positive and negative numbers. Math.ceil rounds up to the nearest integer and math.floor rounds down to the nearest integer. Floor means down. Ceil means up. Now, let's go to the questions. There must be one question on these math functions. So do all these questions. Math.ceil 3.7 will return 4.0, but math.ceil -3.7 will return -3.0 as it moves up towards 0. Now do other output. Remember, floor means down and ceil means up. Now you can solve any problem on math.ceil and math.floor. Now move on to question 1, 7. Which of the following returns a string? Length. Carat. Replace. Char. Index of string. Answer is replace. Char. Length returns an integer. Carat returns an character and index of returns an integer. Let us go to the examples.
Examples for each method in Java. Length, return the length of a string. For example, here str is your hello world. Number of characters is 11, including space. Number of characters is 11. So str.length gives output 11. Now char at returns the character at the given index char. Char at here str is given Java and str.caret2. str.caret2 means this is 0, j is 0, a is 1 and b is 2 index. So str.caret2 output is b, which is a character. So char at returns an character, length returns an integer, and 3. This is your replace char, comma char. That means here str equal to apple, str dot replace p comma b. It will replace p with b. The output will be able. Instead of apple, the output will be able. So it will, the return type is your string. Replace, here replace returns a new modified string. So answer is replace. Fourth one, index of string. Index of, return the index of the first occurrence of a substring. Here example given, str equal to hello world. str.index of world. Index of world, this is index of w is your, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the place of 6, w comes at the place of 6. So index of world means your output is 6. So index of returns a integer, replace returns string, and caret returns a character, and length returns an integer. Now come to the next question. Question number 8 bit. Which of the following is not true with regards to a switch statement? Check for an equality between the input and the cache labels. Supports floating point constant. Break is used to exit from the switch block. Cache labels are unique. Which of the following is not true? Is not true is given. Checks for an equality between the input and the cache label. Yes, it checks equality between the input, whatever is the input, and cache label. Cache 1 means it checks equality between input 1. If it is 1, then it will execute cache 1. So this is true. Break is used to exit from the switch block. Yes, break is used to exit from the switch block. In every case, there is a break to exit from the switch. Break is used to exit from the switch block. Cache labels are unique. Yes, cache labels are unique. Cache 1, cache 2, cache 3. So cache labels are unique. Supports floating point constant. It is here not true. It does not support floating point constant, double constant. This question also, this is also an 2024 board question. This question was in 2024. Now, come to the next question. Consider the array given below. Char A, E, I, O, U. Write the output of the following statement. System.out.println ch 0 into 2. ch 0. This is array, single dimensional array. Name is ch. Yes, this is your ch0, ch1, ch2, ch3, ch4. So in ch0, this is A. A is in ch0. which ASCII value is 65. So 65 into 2 is 130. So answer is 130. Now come to the next question. To execute a loop 10 times, which of the following is correct? For int I equal to 11, I less than equal to 30, I plus equal to 2. See this one. This is your int I equal to 11. Starting from 11 up to 30 and increment is plus 2. So this is your 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. So 10 times. This loop continues, executes at this loop 10 times. So option A is correct. Next is, a single dimensional array has 50 elements. Which of the following is the correct statement to initialize the last element to 100? Last element, index of last element is length of the array minus 1. Length of the array is 50. So 50 minus 1 means 49 is the index of the last element. That is your x49. x49 is the index of the last element, which value is 100. So x49 equal to 100. To initialize 100 to last element, x49 equal to 100. So C option is correct. Next one is method prototype for the method compute which accepts two integer arguments and returns true or false. Method prototype. One question is this one prototype. Method prototype will come, compulsory come. So this is your prototype for the method computer which accepts two integer. Which accepts two integer means this is your accepts means these two integers. Here two integer int a, int b, int a, int b. This int a, int b. So 1, 2, 3. These three. Then which accepts two integer and arguments and returns true false. Returns true false. Returns true false means your data type is boolean. Here is boolean and here is boolean, but this is not correct. This is correct. And here B is small. So this one B option is correct. Returns boolean data type and here accepts or receives two integer type value. So this B option is correct. This is your return type. This is your receiving argument type. Next question is, the statement that brings the control back to the calling method is control back. The statement that brings the control back to the calling method. This is your return. Return statement is control back. This is jumping statement. Jump statement. Return is a jump statement. It controls back to the calling method. Now, these are also important question. Break, system.exit 0, continue. Let us know what is the meaning of these three. Return statement. This statement is used to exit from a method and pass control back to the calling method. It can also return a value if the method is not void. If method is not void, return statement is your return P, return A, return an variable name. Means it will return an integer or double or string, any type value. If it is not data return type is not void, then this will return any type value to the calling method. Break. Break is used to exit from a loop or switch statement, but it does not return control to the calling method. Break is used to exit from a loop. Remember, break is used to exit from a loop or switch statement. System.exit 0. System.exit 0 terminates the program entirely. This is an important question. System.exit 0. Remember this one. This means terminate the program entirely. Break means exit from a loop or switch statement. System.exit 0 means terminate the program entirely. Continue means skip the remaining code. Skip the current iteration. Skip the remaining code inside a loop and move to the next iteration. It does not return control to the calling method. Okay. So break means exit from a loop or switch statement. System.exit 0 means terminate the program entirely. Continue means skip the current iteration. Skip the remaining code inside a loop and move to the. Now come to the next question. The default value of a boolean variable is dash. This is default value of the boolean variable is false, but this is small case is true. This one C option is correct, false. Now come to the default values of data types in Java. There will be one question among this. Default value of byte is 0, default value of short is 0, default value of int is 0, long is, this is 0, L, float is 0.0f, double is 0.0d, char is backward slash u, and 40, this is null character. Boolean is false and string is null. So important is string, that is null, boolean false, char null character, that is backward slash u 40, and for integer 0. These are important. There will be one question, default value. Now next question is 15. The method to cover a lowercase character to uppercase is string dot to uppercase, character dot is uppercase, character dot to uppercase, to uppercase. This is here a method to convert a lowercase character to uppercase. Lowercase character to uppercase, or character dot to uppercase. This is your character dot to uppercase is the correct answer. Here is character dot is uppercase is to check that is a uppercase or not. To uppercase means convert to lowercase to uppercase. So option C is correct. Next one, integer class can be used in the program without calling a package. Reason, it belongs to the default package java.lang. Yes, integer class can be used in the program without calling a package. Integer class can be used without calling a package because it is a part of java.lang, and java.lang no need to call, it is a by default package. So both assertion and reason are true. So this is both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is not. Reason R is a correct explanation of assertion. Both are true. So option A is correct. Now next question. A student executes the following code to increase the value of a variable x by 2. He has written the following statement which is incorrect. X equal to plus 2. What will be the correct statement? To increase the value of a variable x by 2, that means x equal to x plus 2, x equal to this one, x equal to x plus 2. Here is a written x plus equal to 2. This is your shorthand operator. We can write like this also. X plus equal to 2. That means x equal to x plus 2. So this is your shorthand operator, and this is your direct expression x equal to x plus 2 to increase the value by 2. So A and C both are true. Both A and C. Option D is correct. The statement used to find the total number of strings present in the string array. The statement used to find the total number of string present in the string array string S. String S. This is a array. In array, to find the length of the array, this is your s dot length is used. S dot length, there is no common bracket. This is s dot length, common bracket is to find the length of a string, but this is a array. So s dot length, first option. Option A is correct. These two are invalid. Now come to the next question. 19. Consider the following program segment in which the statements are jumbled. Choose the correct order of statement to swap two variables using the third variable. Using the third variable, what is the coding for using the third variable? Swapping of two numbers using the third variable is, first is take a third variable t in t equal to 0. Then assign t to a variable, first variable t equal to a. In t equal to 0, then t equal to a, then a equal to b, b equal to t. It will swap the value of the variable a and b. Swapping of two variable, take a temporary variable, that is your t, in t equal to 0, then t equal to a, then a equal to b, b equal to t. So 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. This is B option. 3, 4, 1, 2. Then last one. Argument is an argument is a value that is passed to a method when it is called. Correct. Variables which are declared in a method prototype to receive values are called actual parameter. Actual parameter and formal parameter. Important question. Actual parameter and formal parameter. What is actual parameter and what is formal parameter? Variables which are declared in a method prototype to receive values is formal parameter. To send value is actual parameter. Receive value is formal parameter and send value is your actual parameter. So this is R is false. A is true, R is false. An argument is a value that is passed to a method when it is called. A is true and R is false. Both assertion and reason are true. No. This one C. Assertion A is true and R is false. C option. So formal parameter is used in method prototype or method header, and actual parameter is used in function call. Formal parameter is used in method define, actual parameter is used in method call. Okay. Number 2, rewrite the following code using single if statement. If code equal to G, system.out.println green. Else if code equal to G, system.out.println green. Here, in both the cases, output is same. You have to write in one if statement. That means you have to write this is in using logical operator, or if code equal to G or code equal to capital G, system.out.println green. Second question is evaluate the given expression when the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. Given this one, b into equal to a plus plus minus plus plus b plus 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 a. We have to print this one a equal to a, b equal to b. Value of a will be, this is a equal to 2, here a plus plus. A plus plus means it is post increment. That means this is 2, then 3, then here is 4. So value of a will be 4 and value of b will be after the solution of this expression. Now come to the solution. This is value of a is 4. Value of a is, this is the question, value of a is 2, b equal to 3. So here a is 2 post increment, so this is 2, then this is 3. This is plus plus a means pre increment, so this is your 4. Here is 4. Value of a is here 4, here is 2. So final value of a is 4. Now value of b is 3. B equal to 3 means this is your 3. This is b into equal to a plus plus means b equal to b into, so this is your 3 into value of a is here 2, then minus plus plus b. Value of b is 3 here and here plus plus b means this is your 4. Value of b is 4. Now this is a2, here also a2 4, here b 4. So this is your 6. Value of b is 6. Now next question. A student executes the following program segment and gets an error. Identify the statement which has an error. Correct the same to get the output as win. Here given boolean x equal to true given. This is boolean x equal to true given. Switch x given. Now switch x, this is your boolean. Switch case does not support boolean and double data type. Switch case does not support boolean and double data type. So this statement is wrong. This is your error. So to correct this one, we will take int x equal to 1. So this is case 1, case 2 here is given. So int x equal to 1 is the correct statement. So this will be syntax error. The answer int x equal to 1. Write a comment, change boolean to int, switch x. All these are same. Switch case supports int, byte, short, char, string. It does not support boolean and double data type. Now come to the next question. Write the Java expression for cube root of x plus square root of y. For cube root, math.cbrtx. For square root, math.sqrty. So math.cbrtx plus math.sqrty is Java expression. Now next question. How many times will the following loop execute? Write the output of the code. X equal to 10 while true. X plus plus into 2. Here x equal to 10. This is post increment, so value of x is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. So first output is 20. Then this is your 11. Value of x is 11. 11 modulus 3 not equal to 0. So it will come to the next round. In next round, this is your 11. 11 into 2 is 22. So next output is 22. First 20, then 22. And this is your 12. Now value of x is 12. So here 12 modulus 3 equal to 0. So break. It will exit the loop. So output is 20, 22 and 2 times the loop will execute. Next question. String x equal to galaxy, y equal to games. S dot caret 0 equal to y dot caret 0. S dot compared to y. S dot caret 0 is capital G, y dot caret 0 is capital G. So this is your true. S dot compared to y. S dot compared to y, it will compare character to character. This is first character of both is same, then G same, then A same, next L M different. Find the ASCII value of L and ASCII value of M. ASCII value of L is 108 and ASCII value of M is 109. So 108 minus 109 is minus 1. So this is your minus 1 and this is true. Predict the output of the following code. Case ch equal to capital B, character dot to lowercase ch means this is your small b. So in chr, here small b. Here is chr, so small b. Here will be small b. Then int n equal to int chr minus 10. ASCII value of small b. ASCII value of small b is ASCII value of capital A to capital Z is 65 to 90. ASCII value of small a to small z is 97 to 122. Now here is small b. ASCII value of small b is 98. 98 minus 10 is 88. Now char n, that means character value of 88. Character value of 88. This is your 90 is capital Z. So 89 is capital Y. 88 is capital X. This is capital X. Backward slash t means space 8 space. Then this is your CHR means small b. So this is your capital X space small b. A student is trying to convert the string present in X to a numerical value so that he can find the square root of the converted value. However, the code has an error. Name the error. Correct the code. Here given string x equal to 25, int y equal to double dot pass double. Here given int y equal to double dot pass double. Double r equal to math dot sqrty system dot out dot println r. What is the error? Error is this one. This is given double dot pass double and data type is given int. This data type must be double. So this is the error. This error is known as syntax error and correct code is here double Y. Next, consider the following program segment and answer the question below. This is given class calculate, then calculate a equal to 0, b equal to 0. Here a, b is given, and this is calculate int x double y, a equal to x, b equal to y. Question is name the type of constructor used in the above program segment. This is class name calculate and function name calculate. So this is a constructor and there is no parameter, and this is int a double b is a b instance variable because it is declared in the class and outside the method. So this is your instance variable, and here instance variable are initialized to default value. So this is your default constructor. Instance variables are initialized to default value. So this is your default constructor. Now this one. Here there is x and y. There are parameters and instance variable are initialized to a specific value. So this is your parameterized constructor. This is default constructor and this is parameterized constructor. Consider the following program segment and answer the question given below. What is the position of 34? This is position of 34. This is double dimensional array. In this array, there are 1, 2, 3 elements. This is double dimensional array and this is your 1, 2, 3 row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 column. This is a 3 row, 4 column dimensional array where this is your first 0 row, 0 column. This is 0 row, 1 column, 0 row 2, 0 row 3. 34 is your, this is 0 row, this is 1 row and this is your 2 row, second row. This is 0th row, this is your 1 row and this is 2 row. 34 is 2 row, 0 column. This is 0 column, this is your 1 column, this is 2 column, this is 3 column. 0 row, so this is your 2 row, 0 column. What is the result of x23 plus x12? x23 means second row, third column. Second row is, this is 0 row, this is 1 row, this is 2 row. This is second row, third column. Third column is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is your second row, third column. So 9 is your x23 second row, third column plus 1 first row, second column. First row means this is your first row. This is 0 row, this is first row. First row, second column means this is 0 column, this is 1 column, this is 2 column. So 8. This is 9 plus 8. So answer is 17.
That's all for the 2025 specimen paper solution. To maximize your preparation, make sure to go through the 2024 and 2023 board questions, along with past specimen papers. The 2023 paper is especially important, so solve it thoroughly. In the next exam, there may be 1 or 2 questions that seem confusing, but if you practice well, you'll be able to tackle them with ease. Stay focused, keep practicing, and aim for a perfect 100. All the best for your exam.